Hi there, binary options traders. My name is AJ, and today I'm going to be showing you a 60-second option that is not on the usual currency pairs that I usually trade. It was on the Euro JPY because 24Option has just started offering this cross, and it's great because if you trade the Euro USD or you trade the USD JPY, which is what I've been trading obviously from the 60-second binaries that are available on 24Option, you'll have a good idea of how this currency pair moves because it's a cross pair. And it makes trading this one very, very, I won't say easy, but it makes it less difficult. And so, as you can see, it was a call option that was placed in at 99.435, resulting in the market ending at 99.465. So just over 3 pip winner, which is great in 60-second binaries. That means you really got the direction right. And the investment amount was $25, resulting in a payout of $42.50. So let's get into the chart work, shall we? So over here is my MetaTrader chart set to the Euro JPY cross, and as you can see, I'd drawn these trend lines, which made it very easy to predict when the price was probably going to bounce back off of this trend line. So as you can see, it bounced right over here, bounced over here, started its way from over here. So it meant that whenever it would bounce, well, it didn't mean, but it meant it was very likely to bounce off of this trend line. So in addition to this, I had my stochastic pointing to over sold conditions. Same thing with the RSI, just slightly. And then also I had the Fibo levels, which I plotted over here from this candle to this candle. Right over here at this 58 level, it had just crossed under. So this is where I placed my my trade. And as you can see, perfect time to place it. A little bit of stagnation, and it just rose up from there. So went in the right direction. Good win. Basically, I guess the takeaway for this video is putting all the factors in your favor, all your eggs in a row, so to speak, just especially for this new pair, because I'm not very experienced trading this pair. I don't trade it actively. My main pairs that I trade actively are the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the USD JPY, and then if, for example, 60-second binaries aren't available, I might trade the Aussie, the OUD USD, or I might trade the Loonie, the USD CAD, or sometimes the Swissy, USD CHF. So, but those last three are very rare. I don't really touch those because they don't offer 60-second binaries on those. So I guess in addition to drawing your trend lines and all the standard stuff that I usually say, is that take time to get to know your currency pair that you're trading. So for example, even though the Euro JPY was available for a couple of hours to trade, I definitely waited a lot longer than I usually would to take an entry, because there was this entry that was right over here that I would have gotten. There was this entry that I wanted to get. There was this one as well, right over here in this area when it hit the 100 level. And so those were all potential entries that I would usually take, but as it was, I decided to just sit back, trade other currencies while watching this chart, because especially when you're trading something new, it doesn't react the same way that you're used to. So for example, the Euro USD has the most liquidity and a lot of volatility, but the GBP USD has even more volatility, which is crazy. And but if you can trade in that environment, good for you, and I can too. So I mean, ultimately, the lesson for myself, and if you want to share in this too, is just sit back, watch the charts, be patient. I mean, especially for myself, I love to jump into binaries. I love to win. I love to take away take that money off the table and run with it and put it back in my account and make a good profit. But I mean, ultimately, what binaries has taught me is that you have to be extremely patient and wait for the perfect setup, because honestly, the perfect setup will come to you. You just have to be patient. Don't settle for less. There will always be another trade, and so it's not worth it to just jump in at a point when you're not 100% certain, especially on a new currency pair that you're not used to trading. Anyways, that's pretty much it for me. I want to remind you to like, comment, share, and subscribe these videos, as well as the videos over at the Happy Forexer channel, which is a great channel. You should definitely check it out. As well, I'd also like to encourage you that if you don't have a 24Option account, you can fund one by clicking the link in the description down below. And after that, you can get a demo account for free that you can use to your heart's content. You can flatten it, and it won't matter. They'll keep refilling it no matter what, and that's great to start learning the binary option strategies and learning the way that the platform works. It's just a good resource, and I highly recommend it to you. Also, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, whatever, just put them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to respond back to you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.